Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, be sure to hit subscribe. Got any questions? Leave in the comments. Throughout the night and throughout this morning, I have busted ass. We are here. Baffle is in. Brace is in. Trim rings have started. Seatbelts have been relocated. I've got to start cutting trim ring for that. I got a piece to go across the bottom. Yeah. Damn. That was an ugly face. I got a piece to go across the bottom. And then it'll be just as far as like spanifuming every fucking thing. Getting everything sealed off. These corner pieces, I have this right here. As you can see, there's slits cut in it. So it'll bend and mold to the shape of this door. I'm going to temporarily screw it to the door right here. And then I'm going to stretch fleece from this piece right here over to get that curve. And then I'm going to resin the fuck out of it. And then I'll resin until it's like 16 feet thick. And it'll be nice and secure. That's the way that I'm going to do it. I know there's probably a lot of ways that other people do it. But the only reason I'm doing it that way is so that I can retain this door opening because my amps are going to be on this side. I got to put more expanded foam up top. We'll start the roof. Kind of got this cool idea. We're going to put a piece of 1/2 inch right here to bring it down to the size of this rafter, whatever the hell you want to call this piece. And then I'm going to put a 3/4 inch layer over this. And then I'm going to have just strengthening beams coming across, probably about 4 of them, all the way from here, all the way back to the box, the full length. And then I got a console to make. Cup holders, switches, gauges, anything and everything that I need. Probably won't put no speakers in it because I'll be putting my knees and feet through that shit. That was a good song. Gonna redo the doors. As you can see now, it's still the old door pods that I made forever ago, wrapped in the fur. I'm gonna take these 8s that are in the door now, and they're going across the top up here, and then I'm getting 4 10s. I'm going to put, or 8 10s, I'm going to put 4 10s in each door. And then the project is just never going to stop. I got tweeters for the A-pillars. I got this and that. And once this part's done, then it'll be on to body work and paint and all this good jazzy stuff. Let's see. Let's take a quick walk real quick. In the distance back there, you see that carport looking thing. That is going to become my new shop. We are building a shop. I'm going to have a 20 by 40 concrete slab poured. And then I'm going to build a retaining wall out of cinder block that's going to come up 3 cinder block high. And it's going to be capped off, and on top of those cinder blocks, that carport that I just showed you is going to sit. And then I'm going to wall it in all the way around. We're going to have power so we can do our weldings and do our boxing and doing our mechanic and stuff. I just feel like it's time to have my own space to where when I'm done, I can just turn the lights off and go. I don't have to worry about this and worry about that. And plus, you know, I need some place to practice the things that I'm going to school for, and then have a place to do the things that I'm going to school for. So it's time to move up a notch. But be sure to be on the lookout, because I will cover that topic a little bit more here in the future once the things actually get started. I have to tear down the old barn that's on the other side over there where it's going to go. And then once it's done, the guy's going to come in. He's going to cut, grade, frame, form, pour, whatever the hell they got to do. And then I will start my part of the project. And I definitely will bring you guys along for every step of the way and show you everything that I'm doing, just so in case you decide to do it yourself, just to show that you can do it. But I appreciate you guys watching. You be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment. I don't care what it says. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.